Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing of my Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. I bought it on eBay and shipped it to Nigeria through my US. And this is the box. This is the regular stuff, all of the shipping information, stickers. And this is the front. The seal came broken, so I hope all is well on the inside. So this is bag. There's nothing on the sides. Okay, this is some product information about the laptop. It comes with an RTX 3070 GPU, so let's unbox it. Okay, since this seal is broken, I hope all is intact on the inside. I have no doubt. Well, you never know what you will find, but I have no doubt that all should be okay. And wow, I have to say, first of all, I've seen so many videos about unboxing and review of this laptop. So I've always dreamt of a day where I actually have one of my own right here in front of me. It's a really surreal moment for me. I have to say, it's amazing. Obviously feels quite heavy, so I guess it's a 300 watts adapter that's lodged in here. So wow, as you can see, here's the cable connector, and that's heavy. I have to say that you can say it's too heavy actually, but well, it's a 300 watts adapter, and although some regions come with a 230 watts adapter, but Lenovo decided to go with this, so I have no complaints here. I don't plan on moving this around much, so I don't think the size of this adapter will be an issue. Or if I have to, you can just pick up a 100 watt PD charger on Amazon for like 55 or 50 bucks. So here is some stickers in the box, and wow, for the main attraction of the day. So let's get all of this to the side. Okay, now let's take this off. Okay, and bring out the laptop from this. Wow, I have to say, wow, this is truly impressive. Wow, feels, I don't know if I'll call it metal, but I think it's plastic, but I can't really remember what the materials were. I know the back is aluminum. So starting from the left hand side, we have the vent, USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, 5 gigabits per second, headphone jack. Onto the right, another vent, USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, e-shutter for the webcam. And start off from the left to right, and this is LAN, USB-C with power delivery, 3 Type A ports, 1 with power out, HDMI 2.1, and all power jack. So let's flip it open. Wow, I must say this stuff looks really amazing. Like this 16:9 screen is just amazing. Like it feels like a MacBook, I'll put it that way. I don't own a MacBook. I've seen a couple MacBooks, I've played with a couple MacBooks, but the real estate is just amazing. Coming from a 16:9 screen aspect ratio to a 16:10, this is 16:10. It just feels amazing. So there's some Lenovo stickers. If you don't want to watch, in case you want to read that, you can just pause the video. And wow, the keys, I've heard a lot of talk on YouTube about the keys being mushy and not really tactile feeling, so I'm just gonna give that a try. Okay, it has a pretty decent travel, right about the same key travel, just like my Acer Aspire E5, which has a, I would say, a little bit more tactile keyboard than this. So I guess finally I know what they meant by mushy. When your figure hits the bottom, there's not much of a feedback that lets you know you've hit rock bottom, if I put it that way. Obviously it doesn't turn on, there's not enough charge. The trackpad, I would say, looks a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Like a lot of reviews were like it's small, but it's bigger than my Aspire E5, so anything bigger than that I guess is a plus for me. So let's fire it up and see how it turns on. Okay, now let's get it plugged in and see if it's gonna charge. Remember, I got this laptop with the seal broken, so let's see. Hopefully, oh, I got a little indicator light that shows that it's charging. So let's fire it up and see how it looks. One complaint I have to say I've had with this laptop is the lack of a biometric feature. Like I have to keep tapping my passcode, which I really got tired of on my Acer, and I have to keep doing this here on a $2,000 laptop. It's pretty frustrating, you know, that you have to pay so much and you can't get a stupid fingerprint scanner. So let's power it on and see how it goes. Wow. First time seeing an RGB keyboard. I understand this is not the best one on the market, but it's okay. First of all, I have to say the screen looks a lot sharper than my 1080p 15:6 inch screen. Just booting up. One thing I'll say, this is how far back the screen can go, which is not a lot, because I can recall a couple of times where I actually bent my Acer screen some inches.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay,
a little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Short Cortana.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
Yeah, thank you. I have to say this 16:10 screen inch aspect ratio is fantastic. I hope to enjoy using this laptop for a pretty long time because wow, so what can I say? It looks amazing. So I'm going to be doing a review about the laptop pretty soon, and hopefully you guys check that out and see. It just feels amazing. The trackpad feels okay. It doesn't click at the top of the trackpad, only about 2/3 or 1/3 down the way. That's when you get a click. The middle clicks, so whichever that activates. The plastic surface. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll bring you more content with this laptop. This is going to replace my video editing laptop, my gaming laptop. I'm a light gamer, not a first-time gamer, and other things. So hopefully a lot more content is going to be coming to you guys through this machine. So have a good one, folks. Bye.